There are lots of ways to grow a dental sleep medicine practice. Most of the doctors who reach out to us, they want to figure out the shortest path to do so. So they're saying, here, I'm at point A, I want to get to point B. How do I do that as quickly as possible? The quickest way to grow your dental sleep medicine practice, if you don't already have established relationships with referring physicians who are very, very friendly, is through a targeted social media advertising campaign. And why is that? It's because social media collects so much data on its users. Your phone is listening to you all the time, whether it's in your pocket, on your desk, or in your purse. It is listening to your conversations. So you can get your advertising in front of people who are actively talking about mouth breathing, sleeping positions, lack of sleep, management of hypertension, type 2 diabetes, Epworth sleepiness scales. The list of things and signs and symptoms and comorbidities goes on and on and on, that you can get your message in front of people who are simply talking about those things. So if you want to get there as fast as possible, if you want to grow your dental sleep medicine practice as fast as possible, is to get in front of the most people you can who are actually interested in what you have to offer. And targeted social media advertising is the way to do that.